This 1935 Aston Martin MK2 Four-Seater is a car of supreme refinement in its performance and sportive road manners. It handles with that comfortable sense of control and responsiveness, which is so greatly desired, but so rarely found in a pre-war car. Something you won't see often is a car that's been in one family for 50 years. The car has benefited from extended maintenance and servicing, including a full engine rebuild, whilst retaining its beautiful original patina. Interested to know more? Historic Competition Services are looking forward to hearing from you.